morning, welcome back to my How to Tap Dance channel. In this tap dancing video, I'm going to show you my Riffle challenge. So if you don't know anything about me yet, all you need to know is that I love tap dancing and I love riffles. So this can easily be changed for different tap dance levels. If you're not an advanced dancer or if you're teaching an intermediate tap dance class, you can take the riffles out and make them shuffles and you can work up to riffles. So first I'll show you this combination facing front slowly, then facing back, and then I'll break it down. Don't mind my balance when I'm doing it slowly. I'm doing the best I can. So here I go. Now your left foot is ready to repeat it all to the left. Now I will show it to you facing back. Okay, so it starts with the right foot doing a riffle front, side, with an alternating heel toe crawl on the left, so it looks like this. Okay, so for the counts for that are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. From here, right foot's ready, toe, heel. Then it reverses left. It starts with the toe crawl on the right after the first riffle. So there's 3 riffles left, alternating toe, heel, toe. So let me show you that. And then step, heel. So let me just put all that together for you with the counts because I'm confusing myself. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, so it's 4 riffles right, front side with the alternating heel toe, ending in a step heel, and then 3 riffles alternating front with the toe, heel, toe in between. I'll do that slower without counts, without talking. 5, 6, ready, and. Okay, so let me just show you the next section and then I'll walk you through it. So what am I doing? I'm doing a riffle right, a toe drop left or a toe pickup, step, heel, right. Then I do it on the left. Riffle left, toe drop right, step, heel. Now the fun part. Riffle right, toe drop, riffle right, heel drop, step, heel. Then finish it up on the left with a riffle, toe drop, step, heel, scuff. So what did I do? Okay, so again it's riffle, toe, step, heel, riffle, toe, step, heel, riffle, toe, riffle, heel, step, heel, riffle, toe, step, heel, scuff. So now you do a riffle, heel, toe, heel, toe. Repeat that left. Riffle, heel, toe, heel, toe. Then you do 2 more of them, but the counts change. Riffle, heel, toe, riffle, heel, toe. So let me go over that rhythm. Okay, so the first time it's da 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 da. Third and fourth time da Okay, so the counts. And the 1A and the 2. And the 3A and the 4. And the 1A and the 2A and the 3A and the 4. Okay, so you made it to the last section. This is a little intricate, fun, a little confusing. What you do on the right is slightly different than what you do on the left, which adds to the confusion. So on the right, we have riffle, step. You're going to put this heel down eventually, but first you're going to brush back on the left before you do so. Drop the right heel and a toe. So again, we have riffle, step, brush, heel, toe. Try that again. Here we go. Riffle, step, brush, heel, toe. Now on the left, forget what we just did on the right. Riffle, heel, step, brush, heel. Okay, so on the left, riffle, heel, step, brush, heel. So on the right, it's riffle, step, brush, heel, toe. Left, riffle, heel, step, brush, heel. So let me try that a little faster to show you. Okay, so again you have riffle, step, brush, heel, toe. Riffle, heel, step, brush, heel. Toe stays up, no toe there. The very last step or combination. Do that again. So what are we doing? Riffle, step, heel, dig, spank, heel, toe, heel, riffle, heel, toe. Riffle, step, heel, dig, spank, heel, toe, heel, riffle, heel, toe. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and hold 8. So let's put that all together with the right side and the left side while we watch my cat bathe. Here we go.